If you think about industrial IoT from a manufacturing perspective, there's a major disruption that the market is facing today, which people call the Industry 4.0, which is the ability to use the sensor data from the different machines or devices on your manufacturing line and use that data to inform and contextualize your business operations. So for example, you want to minimize the downtime of your operations, you want to optimize the utilization of your equipment, you want to minimize the scrap rate, so get a higher quality and get higher yield on your operations. So what we do is basically we bring this data in the context of your business operations and we inform your supply chain management, your ERP management, your planning management to make better decisions. So what used to be complex was maybe 5-7 years ago, people worried about connecting machines, connecting devices, finding the right level of security. I think that the technology now today allows us to do that pretty quickly. Now the focus is more so, how do we extract the essence of the data to do predictive analytics, and how do we bring this insight directly into your business application so that whoever is running your operations can get de facto information, contextualized information to make decisions on, stopping a machine, postponing a production, staffing an operation differently. And that's the kind of complexity we see. How do we bring the machine data and the business data together? When I say complexity, it's actually the next level of challenge that we have to do. But today, the technology, especially using cloud technology, allows us to do that kind of integration very easily. And there's prepackaged applications that you can get from companies like Oracle to allow you to do that in a very easy way now. It can do many things in terms of optimizing your operations, but to be able to really leverage the opportunity, there are a few things you have to do properly. The first one is you want to think of how do you create a digital copy of your operations, because what you want to do is to be able to model your physical assets and be able to do what-if analysis on that asset without basically interrupting your operations. The second activity you need to do is to bring the intelligence on the data built into your business application. You don't want that intelligence and these analytics be separated from your business application. So the opportunity now is actually to use adaptive intelligence, machine learning technology to build this intelligence directly into your application so that as you run the business, you have this information to your fingertips. And the last one is what people call the digital thread, is how do we thread the information from one system to another so that as you automate your workflows, and let's say you have a machine that's about to fail, you have predictive analytics telling you the machine is going to fail in the next 24 hours. How do you automate the workflow to not only create an incident report on it, but also dispatch the right technician with the right skill set, with the right spare part at the right time to take care of it? So the opportunity now that we see is how do we bring the business data at the application level and extend it with the IoT data to get a better outcome for your operations.